Hello everyone, I am Surendra Jain, Master Teacher in Vedantu. We are discussing paper of KVPY 2018 S16. This is question number 8 of part 1 from the topic. This question consists of polynomials, complex number and trigonometry. Let us see what this question is. Let A equal to cos 1 degree and B is equal to sin 1 degree. We say that a real number is algebraic if it is a root of a polynomial with integer coefficients. Then we are given 1, 2, 3, 4 options in which they are asking whether A is algebraic or B is algebraic or both or none. Let us see how to solve this question first. I am writing this cos 1 degree plus iota sin 1 degree to be equal to A plus iota B. Okay, and then if I raise both sides by 90, we get on the left hand side to be cos 90 degree plus iota sin 90 degree. Whereas right hand side can be opened using binomial theorem. So it will be 90C0 into A power 90 plus 90C1 A power 89 iota B plus 90C2 A power 88 iota B whole square and so on and so on. Now compare real part on both sides. We get 0 on the left hand side and on the right hand side it will be A power 90. Now it will be the third term that will be there in the real part, because here we can see iota. Third term will be having minus sign because iota square is -1. So we get 90C2 into A power 88 into B square. Next term could be 90C4 A power 86 into B power 4 and so on and so on. Now because A square plus B square is equal to 1, so we can convert B square in terms of A square or A square in terms of B square. So this same thing can be written as a polynomial in A or in B. In both cases, coefficients to be integers, with coefficients as integers. Okay, these 90C2, 90C4 and so on, they all are integers, and this if I convert A square as 1 minus B square, and even if I have to write B power 4 also as 1 minus A square whole square and so on, then also all coefficients will be integers. So I think we can write this same expression as polynomial in A or in B. In both cases coefficients will remain integer. So we can now say that if it is a polynomial in A, so this cos 1 degree which we took as A will be root of this polynomial if in terms of A, and similarly sine 1 degree which is equal to B will be root of this polynomial if it is written in terms of B. Okay, so we have proved that cos 1 or sine 1 degree, they both can be root of a polynomial such that their coefficients are integers. So as per the definition given in this question, we can say that both A and B are algebraic. So answer for this should be C. So this completes the solution of this question. Thank you so much. Bye.